So I've been looking for the perfect coffee table just to pull everything together in my living room, but something that's also gonna withstand my kids in their everyday play. And this rectangular coffee table is exactly that. I'm so happy that the seller sent it over. It's that perfect mix, whether you have a cozy farmhouse vibe to your house or more of a clean minimalist look, it's gonna fit any kind of decor and it's gonna look absolutely amazing. Now, what I absolutely love about it is just how solid and well made it feels. The wood is absolutely beautiful. It has a nice natural texture, which just gives it a warm, organic look, and it's sturdy enough to handle everyday life with my kids, snacks, and everything in between. It's really nice because it feels high-end, but it's not overly fancy, and you can still put your feet up on it, play games, or spread out with books and coffee without even worrying. And this table is so spacious, which makes it really nice whenever you do want to style it up, whether it's with trays, decor, or you have snacks on it when you have friends and family over. It's long and low, which makes it the perfect centerpiece for any room. It just pulls the whole space together in such an effortless way. It's also super easy to assemble, which I appreciate as a busy mom. You can go and have it set up and ready to go within minutes. And once it's in place, it instantly makes the room feel more grounded and complete. So if you're looking for a coffee table that's beautiful, durable, and versatile enough to fit any style within your home, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.